Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning around 8:15, and this is your pre-market update. It's video number 316, and if you appreciate the work, please subscribe. The market is due up pretty big. Actually, on Thursday night to Friday, there were actually futures trading. Although we had no open outcry or regular market here and no banks open for the federal holiday, the futures were down on Thursday night and Friday. And this morning they have reversed. Actually, as of early last night, when they opened, they had already reversed, but had not gained the way that they have now. Right now, the S&P is due to open up 47, the Dow up 440, and NASDAQ up 151. Also, as you can see, the gold, which was down to 1779, which was down about $9, has reversed back to the upside, currently 1789.90, which is within $1 of the high and about $10-12 off the low. The oil is basically the same situation, although it wasn't down, it was only about unchanged, excuse me, but it had been up to 41.80. And the one that actually is acting the best as far as the precious metals go is the silver. We got long there on the rally late last week, and as you can see, this chart looks a lot like the gold and has been consolidating now for about a little over 2 months after having a 5-week consolidation here and a rally up. Now it's consolidating here, and all we have are these highs in this just under 19 area. In stock news, we have Shopify is up again, no real news there. NIO, which is another electric car company, is currently trading 1158, up 220, which is 24%. Tesla was upgraded price-wise from 1050 to 1500 at JMP Securities, and it's up 75 this morning. Regeneron has news on the start of a new vaccine test, and it's 650, up 25. The FAA and Boeing have flights scheduled for this week. In some M&A news, Warren Buffett bought Dominion Resources natural gas assets for $10 billion. That's a market that, looks like it should be higher, but just has not been able to get out of the way from the increase in oil production, which in shale also increases nat gas production. We have the markets in Asia were up overnight. In fact, Shanghai is up 5.7% to a new high. In the UK, they are now going to phase out Huawei's chips in their rollout of 5G. Uber, in fact, bought Postmates for $2.65 billion. That was mentioned here before. The stock is up about $2. Postmate was not public. So the Uber stock is up about $2, which is about 6%. And EU retail sales were higher, up 17.8% versus minus 12.1% last month, and was also higher than the plus 15% estimate. And last but not least, BLU, Bellis Health. The big loser. This one is painful. The company had a test for its medications for chronic cough. The stock closed 12.02 on Thursday and is currently trading at 3, down 9.02 or 75%. One last item. Kevin Brady, representative from Texas, was on Squawk Box this morning with the most inane argument about, he's from Texas, with the most inane argument about the per capita death rate not being in Texas, but being in the lockdown states, implying that lockdowns were the problem. So he cites New York and New Jersey as the highest per capita death rate, while his state, which reopened early, which has not enforced either social distancing or the wearing of masks, has its highest numbers and its biggest strain on the healthcare system, hospitals. So just another rep talking about this virus as if it's not really a problem for him, when his state is one of the 2 or 3 hottest states because they didn't follow instructions on how to reopen. Okay, everyone, looks like a good strong open, and I'll be back later.